What is going on, YouTube? Back with another video. Today's a little different. We're gonna do it in the POV style. But check out the whip, man. I got it parked up. I'm in DC right now. Just spawned in DC. If you don't know, this car is now Catless, and it sounds great. But yeah, Catless downpipe on the car. It looks great, sounds great. Got a little bit of things to do to it because it's not fast yet, but we'll talk about that later. And as you can see, the car looks pretty damn good. You know what I'm saying? It's not fully clean, but let's get a cold start. Let me start it up. I don't have remote start anymore because the car is Catless and it's not tuned, so yeah. Sounds pretty damn good. That's what it sounds like with the valves open. I do have a Valvetronic. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit. Valvetronic designs. And that lets me close it. So I can open, close, open, and it sounds great. Pretty damn loud, goddamn. It don't usually sound that loud at idle. Usually it dies down at idle. I think it's just because it's cold outside that it's like man loud, bruh. But it sounds good though. Don't get it twisted. I just filled up. I got some gas on me. What the fuck is this nigga doing? Oh, am I in the way? Oh, okay. I'm not in the way. I'm not in the way. Thought I was in the way, boss. My bad, fool. Okay. Let's get. Oh, damn. Damn. Okay. I think the F1 arcade is right here. Matter of fact, it sure is. If you can see that. Oh, my tent's dark. That is the F1 arcade right there. Hold on, let me see if I can get like a logo or something. So y'all can see exactly. You see these are all the like the little consoles. There should be some consoles right here that you can see. Oh yeah. Check it out. Bam. Where does it say F1 arcade? You can see those little logos. It says arcade in the back. Oh shit, there's still niggas in here. They're cleaning up and shit. Shout outs to the hard workers, man. But this shit's dope. This shit is absolutely dope. Might come back here. Yeah. This shit's dope. Alright, that way. Am I an M2? I am not an M2. Is that M2? Show me if it's M2, boss. Okay, we're in M2. We're in M2 ski. But it sounds great when you get into the higher. When you get into higher RPMs, it sounds so good. Oh. Slow down. Damn. Sounds so good, bro. And it waits here. Hold on. Let me let you hear the launch control. Check this out. Oh, that sounds so good. So, I don't know. Should I drive with the light on? Do y'all care? I guess light on looks a little better. I don't know. Sounds better. I should have launch controlled that joint. I could go through the tunnel, but the tunnel has a camera and I can't even push it. So, we'll go straight through the city. Hello, officer. How you doing? How you doing, officer? We're not fucking with you. You got a big dog. You got a big dog. Yeah, we're not fucking with you. lights off his head. No hablo inglés. Oh shit, the convention center is coming up. I want to get video in front of that. That's so hard. I'm recording on an iPhone. I'm literally just holding it. I need to get like a head mount. I tried to use my Osmo with the head mount. Wonky, bro. That shit was just... That shit, bro. Dead ass. I looked at the whole recording. And the whole recording, I'm looking at the ceiling. Because it keeps moving. Like it keeps moving. Yeah. Police, nigga. You ain't gonna double back on. Oh shit, somebody's in the way. Fuck. Oh, is he dropping off? Maybe he's dropping off. I want to get some video here, so maybe he's dropping off. Let's see. I want to get some video right where you're sitting, bud. Please leave so I can get some video. Is he still there? He still got his hazards on. God damn, my side mirror is dirty as hell. This whole car dirty as hell. Don't judge me. Don't judge me, bruh. Cause hey, he moved. Okay, cool. Blah blah blah. Let's go. Let's move. So I want to move right under that light because that's perfect lighting. That's it. Like right there. That looks great. Bro. About trying to key. Can't lose that bad boy. Come on, don't hit me, bro. Alright. Try to keep me safe, man. Damn. Really get downtown DC, bro. This shit look crazy. The 0.5. But now look at the web. The 0.5. Let me know if y'all want me to record in 0.5 or in like the regular 1 zoom or whatever. But look at that, the Apple Store. Is that Apple Store? Yeah, it's some kind of, I don't know. It says Apple on it. But bro, I'm not from DC, so I don't know. This thing is clean though, bro. Look at that. Might do a little edit, hold on. For the most part, I'm not gonna lie, for the most part, they were pretty chill. They didn't say anything to me. I guess they were just trying to make sure I didn't do anything stupid. And yeah, we're off. Now this is where you really get the tall buildings, and this is where like you really get the good sound. Yeah, it sounds great over here. Bruh.
That has to be a wrap.
Yeah, it's a wrap. Yeah, yes sir.
I love it.
Thank you. Oh man, yeah. I feel like that's the most asked question. Like, is it a wrap or is it a paint job? But most people can. He said I'll race you. No, he's funny as shit. Oh shit, let me get over. I'm gonna go further down.
That's so good. So fucking good, brother.
Thank you.
I got an E92 M3.
Oh, those the V8, right?
Titanium with 3-inch pipes.
Yeah.
Supercharged.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Okay. Me and Beamer owners on the street. What is this? On the street. Have a good one. No, that's crazy. He has an E92. Bro, the first Beamer I ever liked was actually an E92 too. That's so crazy that he said that. First Beamer I ever liked. Matter of fact, I might go straight. That's so crazy. That's the first car I ever liked. Like the first BMW I ever liked. It was this Instagram dude. His name was Dev Reezy. I don't know if y'all ever heard of Dev Reezy. If y'all ever heard of him, his joint was crazy tough. He would push the hell out of it. I think he blew the motor on it, sadly, and he went over to bikes. And he hasn't he has no motivation to fix it. So that's kind of sad, but it is what it is. We are now in downtown DC. It is empty as hell out here. Is it right on red? Oh, that's in the sign. There we go. It's already green. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's got great lighting. Okay, I'm gonna mark that on my maps. That's crazy. I've never seen that before. Yeah, it looks crazy here. I could low-key park dead in the middle. Well, I'm gonna make a new rule. When you're driving POV, you do whatever. You do whatever you feel like doing. Not whatever, but you know, some reasonable shit. Some reasonable little shit. Cause this is fun. Hold on. I wanna line it up perfectly with the middle. So that, yeah. I mean, people understand, right? You go around. Hopefully. Don't bully me. I want to get a video of my car. Alright, shit. Look at that. Oh, it's crooked. Oh, well. But that looks crazy. Appreciate you for going around, boss man. Yo, the lighting here is crazy. I gotta come back here with my photographer. I've never ever once went here to whip my car. I'm usually here with the daily if I'm going to DC because, you know, potholes and stuff in DC. But this looks crazy. I'm about to make an edit though, because this is dope. I'm gonna make a whole edit on this. Okay. Okay. I don't know if y'all do know, I do have custom badges on my car, front and back. Hold on, let me get that back one. It fits. It's a little lopsided, but you can't tell if you're not looking. Oh, I'm not gonna show y'all. But I think the car looks pretty damn good right now. I'm gonna get some pictures while I'm at it. That's what I like about the iPhone. Like, I can get pictures while I'm taking video, so y'all can still hear me, you know what I'm saying? Ain't that cool? That's just DC for you. Oh shit, I remember this. Do not enter on Mass Ave. Enter wherever I feel like it. How about that? Let's see. See how this look. I'm sorry. I just love sitting and just getting pictures of my car all the time. Like, look at us. If your G80 looked like this, I think you'd like pictures and videos too, bro. Like, I can't lie. I really thought that the Charger was the best looking four-door that you could buy. Wrong. This is the best. I'm not gonna say best performance, because that's debatable amongst people. I think it's the best performance as well because of how much horsepower you can put on this, and it's all-wheel drive. But it's the best looking, in my opinion. Even though I gotta get the leaves out of this joint, bro. Look how many leaves. These leaves are actually from New York. I'm gonna drop the POV video from New York. And, what is that? Oh, that's a leaf. I'm gonna drop the POV video from New York. It was crazy. I was cutting up with a specific car that's way more expensive than mine. Not way more expensive, but pretty much more expensive. And yeah, it was a blast. It was fire. So I'm gonna keep taking my car to DC, do cruises like this. Next time we come in this joint though, this joint will be tuned. I'm taking this joint to EPC. We gonna get this straight too. It's gonna be nice. But I think that I've got enough clips for tonight. I'm gonna call it a night. Hopefully y'all mess with the video, the POV video, even though it's kind of shaky. I know with my hand and everything. We're gonna get an actual, the mount is on the way for the head mount. Hopefully that doesn't shake as much. And yeah, without further ado, I hope y'all like, comment, subscribe. Without further ado, it's your boy, and I'm out.